Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So a quick life update. I took out my hair extensions, so this is all natural. I will however be putting them back in January. I just took them out for the December holidays. For today's video, it is actually so sweet, guys. The one day when I got back home from work, like Jeff had like a whole scavenger hunt and like full of like lots of gifts, but many of them were makeup. So the majority of the products that I will be using and even the brushes I got from him. Oh, so cute. But anyway, let's get started. Most of the products I will be using today is actually drugstore products, so it is budget friendly as well. For foundation, I'm going to be using this Healthy Mix foundation. I haven't used it in a long time actually. I hope it is still my color. But it is really good for when you are breaking out, like what I'm doing. And it just gives your skin like a nice glowy finish, and it actually has like I think vitamins and stuff in as well. It says fruit therapy. So if you haven't tried this foundation, it's actually really nice for when you are struggling with your skin a bit. For concealer, I'm going to be using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Natural, covering all the pimples. Then I will just be using my beauty sponge. Quite impressed by this concealer. I've actually never used it. Blends out easily. Then for powder, I will just be using the Rimmel Stay Matte powder as always. For bronzer or contouring, I'm actually very excited to try this. I've never done this, so bear with me. I'm actually going to be using, there's Mila in the shot. Put yourself together, girl. I am going to be using the LA Girl concealer, and this is in the shade Toast. So you press it out, ooh, and then you just gonna start with little, because I don't know how this is gonna work out. Ooh, I'm scared. Then I'll just be using the sponge. Ooh, this is scary. That's beautiful. Definitely too dark. So I'll just be taking my brush again with some leftover foundation. Okay, so it's very dark. I have a light hand. I actually like this. It looks very natural, like a tan. I'm just using whatever is on the sponge for the nose. That actually turned out very nicely. I am very impressed. So that is the bronzer. Then for blush, I'm going to be using this satin blush in Coral Dream from Essence. Hey guys, I'm a weirdo. I smile funny. For highlighter, I have never used this before. It is from LA Girl. It is the Luminous Glow Illuminating Powder. Let's see how it works. So it comes in a like little, so you have to, I'm not sure guys, do you press it out? I think so. So then I'm just going to be taking my highlighting brush and dipping it in there, and I'm going to be hoping for the best. Woo! Girl, that is bright. Shame this poor foundation brush is coming in handy today. Okay, very light hand with that. So it is like a yellow golden shade almost. For eyebrows, I am going to be using this Essence Make Me Brow, and the one is like small It's really cute. It is Brownie Brows is the shade. Ooh, this is very nice. In my first YouTube video, go check it out if you haven't, I used this but in the shade Blonde, and I didn't like that because that was too light for my eyebrows. It actually made them lighter, but this is very nice. You can definitely like create a feathery brow. So let me come closer. So you can create like a very feathery brow with this. Fly away, little birdie. So for eyes, this is the exciting part. I'm going to be using this Maybelline Lemonade Craze eyeshadow palette. So for this look, I will be only using this palette so that it is easy for you guys to recreate. And lately I have been loving yellow. I don't know what's up with me, like yellow, mustard, give it to me. Good. So this is perfect. Look at this yellow shade. I think what I'm going to do is I am going to create like a sunset look. Whew. Yeah, magical. But I'm first going to be doing my one eye, and then I will do my other eye on camera because I'm not yet sure what I'm gonna do. But I'm excited. So the one eye is done. It looks a little crazy right now. I am sad to say that this palette is quite difficult to work with, and I was more hoping to use this yellow shade, but it is really not actually that pigmented at all. So yeah, we ended up with like a pinky yellow sunset vibes. Firstly, I did use this Catrice eyeshadow primer. If you are going to do a look like this that requires some color, it is usually good to use an eyeshadow primer because it just makes the colors brighter and easier to blend. So the primer, and then I will just be setting that eye with my translucent powder. I used this shade Berry Ice, and I put that on all over the crease. Then I went in with the shade Coral Punch just to darken my crease. Then I took a smaller blending brush and went in with the Lemonade Craze, the yellow shade. A disappointing shade. So it does show up. You just have to apply many layers. Then I went to the pink color, the Ice Pop, like this cerise pink. I was like, whatever, let's do crazy colors. Not like me, but we did it. And I almost just placed it like a V. Then I went into this shade Strawberry Lemonade, like this shimmery pink shade, and I lightly applied it all over my lid. And I was like, nah, I need more sparkle. So I went into Sugar Coated with my finger, and I just placed it in the middle. And I went back to Strawberry Lemonade, the pink one, and I just deepened that in the inner corner. On the lower lash line, I took a Coral Punch all over the lower lash line with a small pencil brush. Then the yellow again. Then the pink. Don't take the pink all the way. For my inner corner highlight, I used this one, Main Squeeze, the shimmery shade. This shade is very glittery. Now I'm just going to be using a bit of concealer and cleaning up the mess I make. Just be using my little sponge. So that's the eye look. Now I'm going to be doing my eyelashes. I'm just using this Lash Sensational Primer. For mascara, I'm using this Lash Sensational Paradise, the pink one. Ooh, my contact lens. Now for lippy, I'm not sure. Do we go nude or do we go pinky? Let's just do all of them. Let's just layer. So firstly, I'm using this Essence Instant Gloss color in the shade 8. Bit of nude over. This is the Wet n Wild Bare It All. Put a bit of lip gloss. This Shine 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 from Essence. Just in the center. This is the final look. It is definitely out of my comfort zone, but I do like filming videos like this, videos that actually challenge me a bit as well. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, as it really supports my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate that you guys take the time to watch these videos. Always remember, you are worthy, you are loved, and you are beautiful.